Yesterday, my husband and I went to Avida's office in Century Mall to sign the deed of sale for a property that we purchased. While waiting, something unexpected but heartwarming happened. An agent approached me and asked, "Are you Alex Zeta?" When I said yes, he smiled and introduced himself. It turns out he's an agent based in Bohol and was visiting Cagayan de Oro to check out projects in the city. He shared that he is an avid follower of my YouTube channel and has been watching my vlogs regularly. Every time a stranger recognizes me, every time a viewer recognizes me because of my content, I always find it a bit surreal. It's a mix of surprise and humility, knowing that the content I share is reaching and helping people that I've never met, and it's somehow making a difference in their journey. It's a privilege and also a responsibility that I don't take lightly. To be honest, I never imagined that I would become a content creator, but here we are. And I truly believe that God places us where we are for a reason. Whether you are online or offline, you have influence. You do not need a platform to make an impact. Your presence, your words, and your actions already speak volumes to your family, friends, colleagues, and the people that surround you. As for me, I have made a conscious decision to use my platform and the influence that it wields for good, to encourage, to uplift, to help where I can, to I want to live out the values that I hold close to my heart. Integrity, a strong work ethic, and faith in the Lord. In a world that's more connected than ever, influence is a powerful tool, and every one of us has it. Whether you have a platform that reaches thousands of people, or you simply impact the people that you interact with daily, your voice matters. We all have different degrees of influence, and how we use the influence that we have matters. So how can we use our influence for good? There are four ways that I've seen powerful leaders do, and I try my best to follow this. First, lead by example. People are inspired by actions more than words. Small, consistent acts of kindness, integrity, and generosity can ripple outward, motivating others to do the same. When you live your values openly, you naturally encourage those around you to do better too. Second, speak up for what's right. Silent often favors negativity. Using your influence to stand for fairness, compassion, and truth, even when it's uncomfortable, helps create a culture where positive values are celebrated. Third, empower others. True leadership isn't about being at the top, it's about lifting others up, encouraging, mentoring, creating opportunities for others to succeed. When you help someone else grow, you multiply the positive impact of your own influence. Fourth, stay authentic. People are drawn to authenticity. Be genuine in your words and actions. Influence used for good starts with building trust, and trust comes from being real. You are already influencing someone. The question is, what kind of influence will you be?